Timurjan. Zainab Khan. Okay, Zainab Khan. Before you come here, let me read this. 101 channel. Okay, guys, let's be on the same page. So I'm asking you to describe the project, to draw the project steps. Okay. So let me open the document first. So your project was this. You are required to develop an app for a car company. The company requires the following features to be included in their app. So you have to be able to add a new car in your app, and every car should have a brand and price. And then you have to display all the cars using list view builder. And then you should be able to delete a car. And then you should be able, this one and this one is new. So 1, 2, 3 we did it already. 4 and 5 is new actually. Okay. So search a car means you have to just put one input field. For example, you have BMW, Matisse, Spark. If you just put, for example, B, only BMW should stay there because Matisse and Spark don't have B, right? Or if you put M, only BMW and Matisse should stay there because they have M and Spark doesn't have M. So that's search, and you have to do it using the where function. And then sort, because our cars have price, right? That's why we have a sorting functionality by price in ascending and descending order. Okay, Zainab Khan, you can sit there. Just tell me, what should I do first? From where I should start my application? So, my application looks like this. Let me draw it in center. Let's make it one single page application. So, we will have an up bar, kind of up bar, and then we will have two input fields here, for example, for a brand name and price, and then we'll have one divider, and then search, maybe search, and then we'll display our cars, right? So BMW, oops. And all of them should have delete button, and they should have price as well. 100, 200, 300, something like this. Okay. So this is to add. This is to search. And this is just to display. Okay. So what do you think? From what we should start? In our code. So in my code, I have main, right? Main function. Then inside main I call my app. Then inside my app, what should I have first? Okay, yeah, I have text field, text field, text field, text field, right? 1, 2, 3 text fields, and then what's this? List what? List view, yeah. 3 text fields, then we'll have list view builder, right? Okay. Yeah, that's all about our widgets. Okay, and then what should I display inside list view builder? this style. These are these styles, right? So this one, this one, this one are list styles. Okay, so how about the information inside this style? BMW with the price, Matisse with the price. What's that? Very good, class. So this, and this information inside a class. Class. What should I name my class? Car. That's all. And every car should have just brand and then price. So brand will be which data type? String, price? Double. We can make it double, yes. And then, in order for my list view to work, I need to have how many cars? Only one or many? I need to have many cars, right? Because it's list view. So you have to pass with the list, then it will just iterate the list. So after I create a class for my car, I have to create a list of these cars. A list of these cars. And then I can display them. Okay? So let's do this. First of all, we will create.
Sure.
Yes.
Can we do like brand and price in the creative block? Side by side.
Yes, we can. So let's create our widgets first. Okay, I want these two. I want these three, right? 3 widgets, 2 text fields, and 1 plus button there to be another separate widget. And add card, and then so add card widget, and then this style I want it to be card by widget, and this one. Okay, you can say here because it's just one. You don't even need the button here. You can just say here. Okay. So first of all, somebody will come here and create this add card widget. Aziz, come. Sorry? Come, I will help you. So, guys, if you didn't do your homework, do it now, okay? For those who did homework, good job. Because the rest didn't do, I have to do practice. So, as is, you will have to create a new widget called add card. That's why go to our widgets folder here. We have a folder called widgets.
There, you mean
Widgets, yes. Above. Can you see the folder called widgets? Okay.
this one?
Yes, you click on it and add a new file there.
حلقة في جدة معنا
Call it add a small letter. File name is a small letter. Add. You cannot have space in the file name. Okay. Underscore car. Dot. Yeah. second word should be capital letter. Okay, now remove the placeholder from the placeholder.
You mean this one?
Where is your placeholder? Yeah, that one. We don't need it. You need its brackets.
I know.
Remove commas. And Aziz, we need to have three elements on top of each other: text field, and button. What should we do first?
Text field.
If you want elements on top of each other like this,
List. List. We should create list.
is it row or column? This one. Is it row or column?
Column.
No, open the same. Yeah, after the done.
Column. Yes.
No, I mean in the same line. Yeah.
This one. Children.
Okay, children you should have two text fields and one button. Two of these. You can copy paste, you know? Okay, control Z, control Z, control. And one button.
You mean this one? Back button, no?
It's text button, should be text button. Okay. Always between the widgets you must have commas. Comma. These are widgets. Okay. So now, for your on press, remove on press, yes. Have to give empty function for now, empty.
Just empty.
No, don't write empty
Oh,
function.
like what?
How do we create an empty function?
Just function.
Open the brackets of the function. Okay, then after that, curly braces. After that, that's empty function, okay? It doesn't do anything, but it's there. Later on we'll fix it.
Okay.
Child should be just text.
And so on.
Let's say add. You see all the widgets as is?
Yeah.
All the widgets should have brackets after them. You see text field, text button, all of them they have brackets.
Brackets.
Even your text should have brackets after them.
I mean this one.
Okay. You didn't close your column. Put one more bracket. You see your column on line number 8
Yes.
is giving you
Yes.
red color. At least you didn't close it.
This one. Column.
Yeah, so no. Look, See, Aziz, it's a return, right?
Yes.
So after return, whatever line it is, you have to put semicolon. So your line of return ends here. So you have to put semicolon here. Look here.
Like, where is the?
That's where your return ends.
You mean the here, yeah?
No.
After you close column, you see, you are returning column.
Yes.
So after column, you have to close your line.
After.
Yeah, here.
Okay. Now call this widget from your app.dot. Go to app.dot. So instead of text A, just call your widget. Okay, what's the name of your widget?
Add car.
Just call
Add
that.
car.
Why are you calling it inside text? Do we need text now? Aziz?
No.
Do we need text?
No.
Okay. Okay, what's the name of your widget?
Add car. Just add car, or just put the widget.
Just write Apka. Is it Apka or?
No, add car. This one.
Yes. Click enter. Okay. So the same rule. After each widget, you have to put. After each widget, you have to put what? You did it correctly before, Aziz. You did it correctly. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Again. Okay, right up. Just like you wrote before. Add car with capital A. Yes. Press enter. Okay, go here, Aziz. Go to this file, please.
Main there.
To your widget, your own widget, add car. So how did you write your class name? Is it capital A or small a?
Small A. Capital.
Capital. So the same way you have to call it, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So now, Aziz, why it's giving error? Remove this. Move your mouse. Move your mouse.
Here.
Put your cursor somewhere else. Yes. Yeah. So you see every widget, scaffold, app bar, text. What do they have after that?
Brackets. The brackets.
Yes. You see. Okay. So whenever you put a widget, you have to put parentheses after that. Okay.
Okay.
So now Control S to save it and open the emulator. Where is your emulator? It's mobile screen. Where is your mobile here? Aziz? I want to see the mobile screen. Where is it?
I don't know.
Don't touch. It's here. This one. Click on it. No. I mean, click on. Yes, that one. Yes. See? Yeah. So that's what you created, Aziz. So the first one, you click on it. Click on the first one. Here. Click on the first text field. Look. Okay, click here. Just click.
Yeah.
See, it's a text field. You created two text fields and one button.
Yes.
Okay? And you're calling it from your app data. That's all you did, okay? I want you to understand what you did. You create text field, one button. And you just call the widget here. That's all. Okay, thank you. Okay, the next person will come and create a placeholder inside, the text inside, okay? The hint. Murad. Did you understand the task?
Yes, I understand, but I can't do it on my own.
First of all, which file should work in? I want you. Yes. Okay, good. So which widget? Okay, good. Go inside. Go inside and press enter. Okay. So
Placeholder.
it's inside declaration. Just write declaration.
Decoration box.
No, it's input decoration.
Decoration. Ashna.
Colors.
Input decoration. Text field.
Which one do you think it is? Well, which one?
This one.
Just try many if you don't know, because but we did it already 3 times. You must know. it colon into Russian language. Двоеточие. Remove that. Colon is двоеточие, okay? Remove T. Put T back. See, what does it accept? It's already prompting to you there. What does it accept?
String.
String, but you're giving text. Text is a widget. It's not asking for your widget. It's directly asking for a string. So you can just pass a string. Okay?
Okay.
Pass string, please. How do you write string?
String like this.
No. Just give it a string which is brand. Brand. But how do you write a string in any programming language? In Python, in Java? Okay, anybody help?
Yes.
How do you write a string? Hmm? No, it's not correct. No, it doesn't matter. In that it doesn't matter. Right. And do the same thing for what price? So he's Indian, right? Capital E.
Shift.
But this one should be double, not single.
Control S, let's see the result. Control S. Okay. What? Practice, practice. Okay, choose the next person, please. Mona.
From where?
Okay, you can have a seat. At the end of the semester, guys, you don't even know how to create a widget. You don't even know how to write a hint text. Okay, Sahab
The time should be double.
Yeah. Okay, Sahab create a class and create a list of cars. Okay.
Qaysi biriga add qargaman?
Okay, where do we create classes? Sahab non-widget classes.
Non-widgets. No. Stateless. Here?
Do you remember we created class for to do? We created class for book before.
Yes.
So where did we create that in? Which folder I'm asking? You see how many folders we have? We have two folders. We
Here.
have widgets, we have models.
Uh-huh.
Which one we need to create the class in?
So models and widgets. Class add car stateless. Here?
So I'm saying it's non-widget class, right? So definitely it's not in widgets folder, it's inside models folder. Go to models folder. Yeah, and create a new file. Now you can create inside widgets folder because widgets folder is selected. Select models folder, yes.
Mm-hmm. What should I write?
Cut.
Just cut.
You don't have to cut.
Dot mu?
File name is always small letter. Create a class. I'm saying it's non-widget class, right? Can you open the to-do Dart software, John?
Yes.
Remember we did this? It's like a model, schablon, okay? Schablon.
Okay.
So we will create an object from it. It's not a widget. You see, I draw the circle around them. John, can you look at the board? You see, I draw the circle. BMW 100, Matisse 200. You see, it will just hold the data. Not widget, just data, okay?
Okay.
So that's why, just class.
This one.
Yes, we can have a look to do. Have a look.
So string BMW.
Why? No, BMW will be the value.
Oh, wait a second. ID text. Just car? Or what? Brand?
Small b, so just a variable.
Okay. Yeah, brand and model?
Yeah. Not price.
Price. So dot double olmuyor. Double mı böyle?
Yes. Okay, so it's giving you error. Why? Guys, remember this. When you are inside the widgets, you have to put comma, but when you are writing the logic, semicolon. So now create a constructor.
So there was car. But
Don't close the function with semicolon. Just close the line inside. Do we need the import? Do we need those 4 lines? So now, create a list of these cards. Go to update. Just before your build method. Where's your build method?
here.
Yeah. So before that, create a list of cards.
Düşünüyorum da. Zubayraga men xato beryapti bu. List xato qildimmi? To'g'ri qilyapman shekilli. Nima? Bunaqami? Carsda men xato beryapti bu. Yes. Qaysi bir? Car.
Bu kars bo'lib ketgan. Nimamki, men buni
Importmi? Yo'q, qilmadi. Nima yapayapman? Просто import. Catch.
Просто car dart siz bilasiz.
It will import for you. Just remove one. Okay, remove this line. Remove this line.
O'shanga qilmoqchi edim.
Qilmadi.
Remove the last letter of car. Inside triangle brackets. Inside triangle brackets.
This one?
Yeah. That's all. Scientific. I think you knew this. Okay. No. Press enter. You couldn't just say BMW 100 be something, right? It will become a list of strings. This is list of cars, okay? That's why you have to create an object of a car. Okay, create an object of a car.
Yep. O'sha qanday yaratiladi?
Just have car,
Car.
small, not, yeah, that one, press enter. Okay, this is your class, we created this class, okay? That was a model, schablon. Now you are creating something based on that model. Okay, now you have to pass the values, those BMWs, you have to pass it here.
So this is BMW. What?
Okay, thank you. Farangiz, come. You want to come, Farangiz? Sanjar Beg, come. Uh, Sanjar Beg, just create a list view builder and just display these cars. That's all.
What's he doing here?
How are you going to pass your oral exams, guys?
Can I just check? Or should I create it? Material app. Should I create it here? Should step app start. Kaçta qilardi? There I should? In app start? No, it's add card.
This is not go to other. Remove add card.
Oh, shit.
Can you make the cars the name of the list a small letter? No, no, inside Afghan.
Ah.
Make it small. Very good. Good. Return.
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 Return. What should I return it here?
This time.
Ah.
Just title and training and subject.
Just card.
Not dot. How do we get the element from the list? Is it with dot or something else? Cars. Cars. But not dot. How do we get the element of a list? With index, right? Yeah.
Ah.
Yes.
But it's doing it.
So title should be what? So you got the car itself,
Yeah.
but you want to display its brand, right? Just put dot brand.
Here?
Yes. Dot brand, yeah. But it should be inside text. You forgot. Title should be inside text, right?
again the same thing.
Very good. Good. Good job. Good. Say it. So we got our cars. Thank you very much. Another bit. Good job. So now it's not good to have these kind of widgets here. Okay, we can keep it here if you want, but what we did last time, we created another widget for this. Yeah, so we did this. We went to list style, extract widget, and then we call it car tile. So it will be extracted right here. You see? I'm gonna cut it from here and paste it inside a new widget. I'm gonna call it car underscore tile dot dart. Put it here, and of course I have to import the Flutter. Okay, so I don't want to accept list, I just want to accept a car. Like this. So all I did is I just moved the logic of Sanjarbek from here to here. Okay, so now I just accept car brand. Like this, and I just pass the car. Like this. So to make my code easier to understand. Like this. So I will get the same result. Okay, I'm not gonna do deleting part. We did it already 3 times. Let's do the search part and add part. So I'm gonna go to my app bar. I'm gonna just add actions, and then inside here I'm gonna just add text field. Text field, and then I'm gonna say decoration. Input decoration, hint text. Why you not coming, Timurjan? Huh? No, they said you were coming to other classes, you were not coming to mobile developer class. Oh, my bad. Okay, so now guys, if I have a search bar here, guys, so as soon as I type the letter, it should be filtered out. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to create a new array. Look, I'm going to create this list of cars, I'm gonna say filtered cars. So it will be equal to empty car, and then there is something called init state. Okay, so because I'm gonna change something in my widget, I'm gonna say it should be stateful widget, and then init state should be, so when my state first initialized, I want my filtered cars should be equal to just cars. Okay, like this. So let me leave it empty. Okay, let me leave it empty like this, and then it will be equal to this, right? Then when I work with my text field, I have something called on change. Okay, on change, so here I'm gonna say entered value like this. Let me create a function called search cars. Search car. So here I will have this list car result like this, and then if search string, oops, it's string, right? So if search string is empty, so result should be equal to cars, otherwise result should be equal to cars where element contains element brand contains set string. So guys, look, let's test now. So if I put M, so it's not working yet. So let's see. Let's restart. So you see guys, so now I have a filtering function. Let me explain again. So to have this kind of searching functionality, for example, I put M, and then if I put A, BMW will be gone. I put A, and then if I put R, only Spark will be there. So I have this searching functionality, and how did I do it? So I created a list called filtered cars. Okay, for now it will be just empty. Then when my state is first initialized, I will make it equal to initial cars. Okay, then inside my list view, I'm gonna just display those cars. Okay, at first they will be exactly the same as these cars, and then when I type something in my search bar, onChange will be called, right? And then inside onChange, I will call this function search cars. Okay, so onChange will give me the entered value. So whatever I enter here will be given here. Okay, and then I just pass that value to my search car, and then search car will be called, and here I will open just a kind of temporary list for my logic. So if I didn't enter anything, nothing should be changed. If I enter something here, the result should be cars where, so I have cars, right? So cars where element, I'm gonna call it car, where the car brand contains such string. So if I enter, for example, S, it will just go through all the cars and it will give me the car brand which contains S inside, and just I will convert it to list. And at the end I just change my filtered cars to result. That's all. Then sorting functionality. Let's create a sort cars. And then set state. Okay, this one we have like 50 minutes. I will give it to you. You can Google it, you can ask Stack Overflow. Find me the way. For example, we have this array, right? Get this array, please, and find me the way how to sort it based on the price in ascending or descending order, and send me the code. And then we will apply your code inside our logic here. Do it. Guys, what's the reason why you don't practice coding enough? Is it because you have other subjects or what? Because your coding skills are very, very bad actually. Even Sahab came and he couldn't do properly. What's the reason, Sahab Jan? Why are you not practicing enough? Because you're completing 1 year of IT university, right? Is it because you have extra subjects like non-code related or what? I'm just asking. I'm not blaming you. I'm just asking. What's the reason? What do you think? No, I mean, you have English, you have math, you have BPM, right? Big data, but you have code there, right? Are you coding in big data? Do you have coding?
Not so much.
So because you have those subjects, you don't have time for this? Is it the reason?
We have all the extra lessons.
Extra? Like what?
So there is a roadmap, and I have a lot of lessons inside that roadmap. It's kind of program.
Okay.
The reason why lots of people, students are not doing the Flutter works is simply because they have alternative programming language,
Which is?
C# or Python. They make it, primitives first.
Priority?
Yeah, and Flutter is the least. If they have time, they just go with the Flutter. It's in hard. They always care about just their own programming language. This is how the reason. It's the main reason. I said doesn't get loves C#.
No, he didn't say you. He said generally.
Generally.
Okay, did you find the way or no? Send me a code. Okay, you sent already. Sorry. Eh? And that's good, but Sanjarbek, I'm asking for logic. Yes. Yeah, this one. Yes, correct. So we have to do this sorting. Okay. So I'm gonna get this code, and then where is it? I have to use it like this. So I'm gonna say filtered cars, sort A and B. So for you to understand, I'm gonna say car A and car B. Is car A price compared to car B price. So sorting will give you two elements at a time. So it will give you BMW and Matiz, then Matiz and Spark. So it will give you two elements at a time, and then you have to just compare their prices. So if the price is bigger, it will go to the next, it will just swap places. That's all. So now I will create a, buttons here, wrap with column, and then wrap with expanded. So let's create text button here. Text button. Okay, ascending, descending. Okay, so here I'm gonna call sort cars, ascending, sort cars, descending. Okay, so let's see. Let's call both of them the same thing. So if I click this, so it's working. Okay, now you know the logic how to do it, right? So now can you write the code to sort it in descending order? So the highest one should be the first one. What should I change here?
Instead of car A, car B.
Like this.
Yes.
Very good. So this will be descending and this will be, oops. So this is ascending, this is descending. Oops, why it's not working? Because I didn't call it. Ascending, descending. Okay guys, I see we need a lot of practice. Then I will not teach you API this semester because we need to do a lot of practice just with normal stuff. This one is new. So the searching and the sorting is kind of new, but we talked about the logic before. The logic with while, the logic with sort, we talked about it. But the rest, to display these ones, to use list view builder, to create a class, all of them are the same. We did it 4 times already, 4 times. I don't know how to explain else because I tried to draw, I tried to explain, I sent the videos, exactly the same stuff, but you cannot do it because you're not practicing at home. That's all. All the resources are there. That's why we're gonna do practices more until the end of the semester. Come to my office hours if you don't understand. Okay? Because like this, there are students, several students who I want to give distinction to. But there are students among you who I don't know whether he can pass the oral exam or not. That's why you have still time. Come to my office hours. Do your homework. Practice more. I will send this